Good morning, students. Today I am going to prove the second theorem of similarity, that is SSS similarity. Theorem is, if the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. If the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, then their corresponding sides are equal and hence two triangles are similar. Given, let ABC and DEF are two triangles such that their corresponding sides are proportional. So AB upon D is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. ABC and DF are two triangles such that AB upon D is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. This is given. To prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now construction. Let D is a smaller than, let AB is a smaller than D and AC is a smaller than DA. So cut DP is equal to AB and DQ is equal to AC and join PQ. This is in P and this is Q and join PQ. Cut DP is equal to AB and AC is equal to DQ. Now proof. AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. This is given. Now replace AB by DP. So implies that therefore AB is replaced by DP. So DP upon DE is equal to replace AC by DQ. So DQ upon DF. Since AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. Y construction. Now DP upon D and DQ upon DF. Now DP upon D and DQ upon DF. These are the corresponding side. DP upon D is equal to DQ upon DF. So Y BPT, converse of BPT. What is converse of BPT? In a triangle, if a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line must be parallel to the third side. Here PQ divides D and DF in the same ratio. DP upon D is equal to DQ upon DF. Therefore line PQ will be parallel to EF. Y converse of BPT. Now PQ is parallel to EF. Therefore angle P is equal to angle E and angle Q is equal to angle F. These are corresponding angles. Since PQ is parallel to F, therefore this angle is equal to this and this will be equal to this. So since PQ is parallel to EF and these are corresponding angle, so they are equal. Implies that therefore now in triangles a DPQ and DEF, angle D is equal to angle D, common, angle P is equal to angle E, above proved, and angle Q is equal to angle F, both are above proved. Therefore, triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF by AA similarity. Why AA similarity? Angle D is all triangles are equiangle. Triangle D is equal to D is D, and P is equal to E, and Q is equal to F. So both the triangles are similar. Now imply that two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are proportional. So DP upon DE is equal to PQ upon EF. Triangles are similar, corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. So DP upon D is equal to PQ upon EF, and replace DP as AB. So AB upon DE is equal to PQ upon EF, since DP is equal to AB. And now given that AB, what AB upon DE is equal to, given AB upon D is equal to BC upon EF, given, this is given. So implies that therefore PQ upon EF is equal to BC upon EF. Now implies that PQ is equal to BC. Now in triangle ABC and DPQ in triangles ABC and DPQ, AB is equal to DP, Y construction, and AC is equal to DQ, Y construction, and PQ is equal to BC, above proved. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ by SSS congruency condition of triangles. So angle imply that angle A is equal to, therefore angle A is equal to angle D, and angle B is equal to angle P, and angle P is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle Q, and angle Q is equal to angle Q is equal to angle F. Angle F. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle D. Angle V is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF YSS similarity. Proved. Thank you.